So I'm helping out Mike Stout, his brand new wing with all the lights. The ESC for the motor burned up, and it burned all this area right here, and the center keel, half of it was gone. And I repaired all of that, and then I skinned the right side there. Now I'm working on the left side, and I get all the internal stuff done, and then I'll just put a new skin on it. But you can open this up, and this keel was burned away. There was a doubled keel, so there was another one on this side that's burned away. There was a hole in the bottom that got plugged up right there. And this is all the BECs and controllers for Mike's light system. I took and built these little wedges to pull the sheeting back up into position where it was supposed to be. Also gives a place for the sheeting to get glued. Little tabs like these tabs here. Gives you a place for the sheeting to get glued. And I pre-hinge it like this. Then I can just hot glue the crap out of it. And then flip it over and it's already lined up. And then put some weights on it and such. This one I went ahead, there's so many wires on the inside, I decided to go ahead and cut the hatch for it, and I hinge it as well and tape it down. When it's all said and done, it'll tape over all that, but I still got to cut that hatch and be careful not to cut the other wires inside of there. But it's coming back together, and it's going to be great, good as before. All right, later, Bob.